Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on you. We're talking about how to build a strong brand your way. So let's dive right in and make it happen. First off, let's get real. There's a big difference between just going viral and actually building a strong brand. I know we all want those millions of views, but what really matters is connecting with your audience. Think about Gary Vee. He's not just famous because of his sound bites. Gary connects with people by being real and transparent. That's the key. Focus on creating content that truly reflects who you are. Share your story, your struggles, and your wins. Be authentic. Ask yourself, how can I show my real self to my audience? Start with small, honest stories from your life. Next, let's talk about personal branding. Look at your favorite influencer. They're not afraid to show their losses along with their wins. That's why people connect with them. In a world full of people showing off, being real about your ups and downs is refreshing and builds trust. Be vulnerable. Share both your successes and your failures. It's okay to talk about what didn't work out. This makes you relatable and trustworthy. Write down 3 failures you've had and think about how you learn from them. Share these stories with your audience. Let's get practical. If you don't like being on video, no worries. Start with a podcast. The key is to pick a medium you're comfortable with and stick with it long term. Some are great on camera, but some are even better at writing. Find your strength. Choose your medium. Are you a better writer, speaker, or video creator? Start with what feels natural. Make a content plan for the next month, focusing on your chosen medium. Stick to it and be consistent. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Building a brand isn't a solo job. It takes a team. When you're just starting, you might have to wear many hats, but as you grow, you can bring people in to help. Manage your team well, adapt your strategies, and keep the quality high. If you're just starting, write down all the tasks you handle. Identify 1 or 2 that you can delegate as you grow. Look for people who can help, even if it's just a friend or a freelance worker. Build a supportive network around you. Finally, let's talk growth. As your brand expands, you'll need to hire more help. Whether it's video editors, designers, or content creators, make sure you're building a team that shares your vision and passion. Start small. Hire a freelancer to help with specific tasks. Set clear expectations and communicate openly. Create a positive work environment where everyone feels valued. This will help your brand grow strong and sustainable. All right, my guys, that's it for today. Remember, building a strong brand takes time, effort, and authenticity. Stay true to yourself, be consistent, and surround yourself with a great team. You got this! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motivational tips and strategies. Let's get out there and build those strong brands your way. Stay motivated, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!